Good day, everyone. So for today, we will talk about and how to install Schema theme onto your site. So first of all, what is a theme? So a theme basically is a theme for your website or how your website would look like. Okay, and there are millions of themes for our websites. We can just choose and we can rearrange the tabs, whatever we want according to how it is being coded. So for me, I chose Schema theme, and also I'm using Bluehost as my hosting plan. So let's start here. If you're logged into your web hosting company, then you can see here from the home tab, log into WordPress. I'm using wordpress.org to I'm using wordpress.org basically. Sorry about that. Okay, so now we are logged into wordpress.org. How would you install this theme? First, you need to click on Appearance, then Themes here, as you can see, and it would show the preloaded themes. And if you cannot find Schema yet, click on Add New. After clicking on that, you'll be able to see the list of themes, and there are millions, thousands, hundreds of them. So you just need to type in here, Schema, hit OK, and there you go. For me, I've already installed it, but this is how you install the Schema theme. Okay, so now let's check inside Schema theme what are their pages, what can they offer to us as website owners. Okay, so they've got general settings, of course. You can upload a logo in here, the favicon. So what's a favicon? If this is my website, here you can see this little icon, and that's the favicon. It's highly encouraged that you would use your logo, and so that it would be the same as your favicon. For me, I did not upload my logo because if I would, then it would show on this part. And somehow I don't think that's necessary because it's taking up a lot of space. That is why I'm not uploading any logos yet. Yeah, here, touch icon, metro icon. I'm not gonna dig deeper on the settings. That's gonna be on the next video. I'm just gonna show you what's inside Schema theme. Next is performance here. Lazy load featured images. We're gonna learn more of that when we dig deeper to the settings. I'm also starting and learning, so I'm not like very proficient with this theme yet. Styling options. Here you can select the color. I selected deep red. That's why you can see here. See the search button? So that's exactly how I want that to look like. And you can choose the layout style, background color, if you want some designs, and all of those little options down there. Header. And I chose this over this one. So as you can see here, the arrangement, these categories, and these pages up here. Header background, all of that. Next, home page, number of posts shown, and homepage, and if you have any featured categories. I've got footer. Footer is what you can see, everything that you can see down below. This is a footer with a black background. This is also a footer here. Okay, and single post, obviously the post per category, social buttons. I've added Facebook share, Facebook like, Twitter, and Pinterest for now. Ad management, I'm not somehow into that yet. I'm still building my website. Sidebars. Sidebars are the one that you can see from this side here. So I didn't put a lot. I just put in my categories and hashtags. Next, navigation. So we've got that SEO. It needs to have a plugin. I'm gonna discuss plugins on the next video. We have typography. So you can choose the character sets here. I'm not really exploring this setting yet, but I will do so sooner. And import, export. This is if you have maybe a theme of your own that you would want to import in here, a different coding. And the customer service side of my theme shop. You can open support form and log into their website, ask questions, etc. Yeah, so if you want to have a look at the Schema theme, so this is basically what it looks like. You can change colors, whatever you want. You can put pages, how many that you'd like here. I just put in home, about us, legal statement, privacy policy, and the far end would be the social button icons. And for my categories, I put in e-commerce, SEO, marketing, forex trading. So here I've got one post for SEO and also one post for forex trading. Okay, and these are the sidebars. Here you can choose to put in this widget here. It's a search widget. There's also a popular post widget. I did not put a featured photo yet. And this is a WP form. It would collect emails from your subscribers pretty soon. Okay, and this is the footer here. I put in the widget, again, WP form, social buttons, and my company address. Yeah, I think that would be all for this video, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Okay, bye.